In today's digital world, the way a document looks can be just as important as the information it contains. A clean layout, consistent formatting, properly arranged text, and well-positioned visual elements can. Image positioning, headings, colors, and overall balance are all important parts of a professional document. Our workflow is simple and convenient. First, you send off your document and explain what you would like to change. Next, we review your requirements and determine the appropriate editing approach. Then, we work on the document according to your instructions, carefully checking the formatting and visual presentation throughout the process. Finally, we review the completed work to make sure the requested changes have been properly applied. We believe that good communication is an important part of every project. If you have specific instructions, examples, reference designs, preferred fonts, colors, or layout requirements, you can provide those details along with your file. This helps us understand your expectations and produce a result that matches your preferred style. Whether you need a few simple formatting adjustments or a more detailed editing project, we aim to provide a professional and convenient experience from beginning to end. Our professional document editing service is suitable for legitimate personal, educational, creative, business, and marketing projects. We also understand that different clients may have different budgets and project requirements. That is why we focus on providing flexible solutions based on the type and complexity of the work. For payment, we accept several convenient methods, including Zoom, cryptocurrency, and Western Union, subject to availability and applicable service requirements. Before starting a project, you can contact us with your requirements, discuss the work, and confirm the available payment option that is most convenient for you. If your document needs better formatting, improved organization, cleaner presentation, or professional visual editing, we are ready to help. Save your time and let our professional editing team take care of the details. Send us your document, explain the changes you need, and we will work carefully to improve its overall appearance and presentation. Contact us today for professional document editing and formatting solutions.